Solving your opening balance in QuickBooks Online is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Go to the Accounting menu in QuickBooks Online and select Chart of Accounts. Review each account's opening balance to ensure it matches your actual financial records. Look for any accounts with incorrect or unusual opening balances. If you have an opening balance equity account with a balance, review it to identify any transactions or entries that may have contributed to the opening balance discrepancy. Opening balance equity should ideally be 0 once your accounts are set up correctly. If it has a balance, investigate the transactions that contributed to it. Review all transactions entered in QuickBooks Online, especially those related to opening balances or initial setup. Ensure that transactions are categorized correctly, dated accurately, and match your actual financial records. Use the reconciliation feature in QuickBooks Online to reconcile your bank and credit card accounts. Reconciliation helps identify discrepancies and ensures that transactions are accurately recorded. Compare your bank statements with transactions in QuickBooks to reconcile cleared transactions and verify opening balances. Schedule regular reviews and reconciliations in QuickBooks Online to catch and correct any discrepancies early. Monitor account balances, transactions, and financial reports regularly to ensure accuracy and reliability. If you're unable to resolve opening balance discrepancies, or if the issue persists, consider seeking assistance from a QuickBooks Pro advisor or accountant. A professional can review your accounts, transactions, and setup to identify underlying issues and provide guidance on resolving opening balance discrepancies.